So, I do talk about having to deal with situations at facilities that are going to be difficult when it comes to layout, right? And the best way to get ahead of those things is to have preemptive conversations with the facility and your client, which in this case I did do so. But it doesn't always work the way you want to. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in February at Photo Booth Expo and DJ NTV's show, February 24th, 25th, and 26th. I want to thank my sponsors for being a part of all this as well. That's Electro-Voice, of course, and DJ Event Planner and Promo Only. Anyway, to get back to all of this stuff, I'm here in the event space that I'm going to be in tomorrow. And I don't know if you can get a gander at this, but it's already kind of a weird thing. So here I am, kind of where everybody's going to be coming in, right up here. Okay, and then you kind of come in, and then there's an entrance. So they've got seating over here where there's like a cafeteria. And if you can see, over on the one side, there's a fireplace. See that fireplace? So that's kind of a problem for sight lines, but not really at this point, because the couple will come down this aisle to their head table, which is here. And their head table is a beautiful thing. And from their head table, you will see, when I take you over here, exactly what they know and what they don't know, and what they can see and what they can't see, which is the thing you need to worry about. See, the bride and groom sitting here, they're going to have sight lines, and some of their guests be able to see things and some not. You see those posts? There's some guests that are going to be sitting behind those posts. These are things to worry about and things to think about. You look down here, there are some guests. They should be able to see the bride and groom, at least their sides. Okay, and then you look over here at this huge, beautiful marble fireplace. But if you follow this area over here, all the way over here, once again, we have been treated like the redheaded stepchild of the wedding business by putting our dance floor in the corner behind this fireplace. See that? So now I'm going to be all the way over here. Even after I had planned meetings, after we sat and talked about what would work best and what would not work best, the facility convinced the bride and groom that this is what they should do. So this is where I'm going to be, and that's where the guests are going to be. You can hardly see the head table from here. You can't see many of the guests over there through that beautiful fireplace. So I'm blocked off. So tomorrow, one of my jobs is going to be how to get everyone to gather in this area for the spotlight dances and for the special things that are going to happen, and try to get them down here dancing. Because I also don't know where they're going to put the bar. Even though I like the bar by the dance floor, they may put the bar over on the other side of that fireplace. So how do you fix that? Well, most of us have to deal with it on the fly, right? Most of us have to deal with it on the fly. We get really good at fixing the problems. But if you can get ahead of things, you don't have to fix problems. Tomorrow, I'm going to have to fix problems. Tomorrow, I'm going to have to create a narrative with the bride and groom and their guests around what's important and what they should get out of their seats and come and see. So that's a tricky thing. And when your MC abilities really come into play, honestly, is in those situations. And there's more of those than you would guess, because people don't take into consideration our worries, our concerns, the things that we know are going to get in the way of what we do. Because they're just serving food, right? Not just, they're serving food. In the restaurant business, they're going to set it up the way that works best for them. What works best for you? Have you thought about it? Anyway, tomorrow's the wedding. Maybe I'll give you a report on how things go. Maybe I'll even, next week, give you a report from the wedding that I'm working on tomorrow. So that's it. That's Creative License for this week. Have you ever had to deal with this kind of things? Do you have any comments? Is something you want to know about? Reach out to me, okay? Comments below. Until next time, I'm Bill, and see you next week. Bye.